Good morning, everyone. I am so excited for our first ever distance learning raffle. I do want to let you guys know that we tried our absolute best to make sure that every assignment that was turned in on time was added to this raffle wheel. However, if for some crazy reason there was a glitch with the technology and your scholar's name didn't make it into the raffle, I want you to know that we are going to try our very best to make sure that they are included in the next one. This will not be the last one. One, I love spending money on Amazon. Two, I miss our babies so much. I want to do everything I can to make sure they feel rewarded. And three, technology is kind of strange sometimes, but I'm going to try my best, and all our teachers are going to try our best to make sure that our students feel celebrated. So we had 76 students. I'm pretty sure it was 76. 76 students complete 100% of their work. That is amazing. I want to get that number to 100%. So we'll see what I do for our next raffle. In the meantime, let me mix up our names a couple of times and let's spin the wheel. Ooh, I wonder who's going to get it. Congratulations, Ryan Gonzalez. I am going to call your mommy and daddy and let them know that you won the raffle so that I can get your address and send you your slime prize. Let's make sure that we give a big round of applause to our friend. We get what we get, and I know you guys know how to finish it. So I will be doing this again probably next week. So be on the lookout on Reminds. Happy Monday, everyone. Have a great week. Make sure to complete all of your work because I may just do a random prize at the end of this week. Who knows? We shall see. Enjoy the rest of your week, boys and girls. Thank you. Bye-bye.